This for every class, we have something like we create a PDF, which will actually you can see go through what happened in the last week. Some people have joined recently, so for you, it is always better to go through all the slides and videos that are recorded. Okay, so here, like September 30th, that is like Friday of last week, last week. So here we explained in Replit how you can see these things. You can see the programs. Some people have joined in the last week as well. So for them, this will be really the starting point. And we have seen like to create new commands, or we are using this concept called functions, right? Let me put it in silent. Yeah. So to create new commands or to create new functions, we have something called declaration, definition. So declaration, definition, and then calling. Okay. So so these are functions, and function has a name, body, and all. We'll go further today. Okay. And we also seen the control flow, how the things flow. Okay. Um, and we have seen like what happens, and we have all seen all these things. Yeah. So we have seen how to write functions, two functions, high one and high two, and how to call them. When you call, what happens. So these are the different things, and we also saw some errors while we are doing this. And here we try to print something like this, printing them, and we also something like this, Sankhya num, okay, which we use for any variable in which we want to store something. We'll say like it is of it, the type of things that this num variable stores is Sankhya, okay, and we have seen this function how to write this, and we have two variables, sum of two numbers. We did this, and we got the output, and then different ways of doing the same program. This is called comments. These are called comments. Okay, when you do two forward slashes and you write something, you'll get. If some people are new to this, you can. There is one task also called Aksharabhyasam, where it will explain all the keys, what are they called, and all. Okay, you can please go through that. And then we got this. Means Gadguddu means in Telugu nothing. Okay, when there is nothing, you will say Gadguddu. So in programming also, we have this concept where the function sum of two numbers, okay, is not giving back something. Okay, we'll see how functions give something today. Okay, before that, and having a new variable and assigning them and using them. And while you're calling, you should not write just like the way you are declaring. Okay, when you're calling, you should just pass some value, either a variable or something expression or these things. Okay. Yeah. So these are the things what we have covered in the last class. Okay. Function declaration, definition, calling, and function name. Okay. And passing Sankhya to functions. And we saw the control flow. It starts from the start and first command and then next. This is the way it happens. Okay.